Hey, listen, did you know there's a huge demand for new voiceover talent? The same old voice actors and celebrities can't record everything. There's never been a better time to find the power of your unique voice. Sound too good to be true? Well, come closer. I'm about to show you how to turn your voice into a real, fun, and paying career. And you don't need fancy equipment that costs thousands of dollars either. You don't need an advanced degree, and you certainly don't need years or even months of prior experience. Here's what I'm talking about. You see, the voiceover market is a $4 billion industry just looking at audiobooks. That's over 100 new opportunities per day. It's massive. That doesn't even take into account things like commercials or product explainer videos or corporate training. And none of this is slowing down anytime soon. And since the rise of AI, this market is booming. But people don't want to listen to robots. They want to hear from someone real, someone with a nice voice, someone with a soul. Hi, I'm Susan Berkley, and I've been the signature voice of big companies like AT&T and Citibank for, well, longer than I care to admit. And I've helped more people launch successful careers in voice acting than anyone else on the planet. And I'd like to give you a free copy of my book, How to Make Big Money with Your Speaking Voice Without Leaving Your Home. That's right. I want to send you this book for free. Just cover shipping. My book is unlike anything else on the market. You're going to find unique, honest, and helpful material that doesn't exist anywhere else on the planet. And I didn't make that up either. That's an actual Amazon review. So here's what you get when you claim your free copy of my book. Real strategies I've taught to thousands of beginners that give you everything you need to land real, high-paying gigs with big companies. The right tactics to get high-value clients and do it from anywhere in the world. Equipment recommendations, pricing strategies, demo creation, and a whole lot more. Plus, you'll get free bonuses like step-by-step templates and my Get the Job Roadmap Masterclass. And look, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Susan, but even if I learn how to use my voice, how am I going to get people to pay me for it? Great question. And that's the best part about my book. You see, instead of just teaching you about your voice, I go into deep detail about how to find the right types of jobs, the jobs that pay the best and are the easiest to get. To my knowledge, you can't find this information anywhere else. So click the link on this video to claim your free copy of my book, How to Make Big Money with Your Speaking Voice Without Leaving Your Home. But you'll need to move fast because when we run out of books, this promotion will end. So go ahead and click the link right now.